Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage vocabulary with Rosetta Stone step by step clearly. Open the Rosetta Stone application on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Select the language you are learning. Navigate to the vocabulary section from the main menu. Browse through the list of vocabulary categories available. Choose a category that interests you or aligns with your learning goals. Click on the selected category to view the vocabulary words. Listen to the pronunciation of each word by clicking on the speaker icon. Repeat the word aloud to practice your pronunciation. Use the flashcard feature if available to test your recognition of each word. Take note of any words that are particularly challenging for you. Make a personal list of these challenging words for targeted practice. Engage in interactive activities associated with the vocabulary to reinforce learning. Utilize the right feature to practice spelling and usage of the words. Complete any quizzes related to the vocabulary to assess your understanding. Regularly review the vocabulary words to aid retention. Consider setting daily or weekly goals for new vocabulary acquisition. Explore the writing and reading exercises that incorporate your vocabulary words. Keep track of your progress within the application. Adjust your learning focus based on the vocabulary areas where you need improvement. Use the feedback provided to refine your pronunciation and understanding. Commit to using new vocabulary in your daily conversations or writing. Celebrate your progress and continue to challenge yourself with advanced vocabulary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.